Let's give you a quick tour of everything inside of Easel Pro. One of the most popular features in Easel Pro is the ability to V-carve with angled bits. V-carving allows you to add varying depths as well as intricate details to your designs you just can't achieve with a standard bit. Easel Pro also includes our Pro Design Library, where you can search for thousands and thousands of different designs. We also include a bunch of new fonts with Easel Pro, where you can go in and search for whatever font that you need so that you can customize your carve for exactly how you want. In addition to the Pro fonts, we also have Pro text effects, to where you can modify how the text actually looks once you add it into your design. Have you ever wanted to carve something bigger than your machine? With our tiling feature, you can actually carve out a design that is bigger than the work area of your machine, that is letting you create a huge final piece. You can also add in your own bits as well as your own materials within our toolbox. So you can see our bits, materials, and cut settings. They can all be customized. A few other features like raster engraving allow you to define the direction of a fill method so you get the best cut possible depending on your material. And time-saving features like machine parking will help you save time by moving the machine out of the way so you can take out your material and put a new one in. And all of these features in Easel Pro are designed to help you create better final pieces, save time, and make more money.